In this video tutorial I will show you how to replace Volkswagen Golf Mk4 Jetta Bora Gear Shift knob, Gaiter and cap in just 11 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you have to start from the bottom side. Take the old gear shift Gaiter out. So you have to pull and lift up the Gaiter to have access at the clamp. That is a plastic piece that you cannot take it from the front side. 5-speed gear shift knob Gaiter, boot in the video description below. So now you can see the metal ring. Use a flat blade screwdriver to expand that metal clip, or you can use the side cutters to cut it. So insert the flat blade screwdriver to expand the metal clip. After you expand the metal clip, you just have to pull the gear shift knob. This is how it looks like. Then, to separate the gear shift Gaiter from the knob, you have to remove that plastic ring, that black plastic ring, using a flat blade screwdriver. So remove the plastic ring using a flat blade screwdriver. Then you just have to take the Gaiter out from the knob. Then remove the Gaiter from the plastic frame, from that trim. Just take it out. and then you have to replace it with a new Gaiter, but we don't have a new Gaiter, and that's why we put the old one back. Then we will install the knob. Then you have to put the plastic ring on the knob. Then you have to put the plastic ring on the knob. You have to put on that part inside. Then you have to install the gear shift knob and press it hard on the lever. Tighten the metal ring using pincers. You can replace the metal ring with a small stainless steel hose clamp if it's easier for you. Then install the new Gaiter on the plastic part. And if you want to replace the gear shift cover, you have to use a small flat blade screwdriver. You just have to take it out. So this is the old one. So then you have to remove those pieces from the old cover. So remove all the broken pieces from the old cover using a flat blade screwdriver. Then we will install the new gear shift knob cover. You can find the gear shift knob cover in the video description below. So that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.